That day, my friend called me. He was super happy. He got an offer from Big Basket to join them as a data scientist. I was also very happy for him. My sister asked me whom I was congratulating on the phone. I told her about my friend, how he cracked a difficult data science interview. Do you know what my sister said to me that day? She said nothing. She said absolutely nothing. But I knew what she wanted to ask me. She wanted to ask me when can she congratulate me? When would I crack my data science interview? I felt like burning all my data science books and courses. I actually started hating this field, though I had already signed up for Data is Good workshop. But I didn't felt like even attending the workshop. I thought it will be another hour waste for me. It is better to go and watch other Netflix web series or play PUBG. I don't remember why I didn't watch Netflix, but I attended the workshop. That was a decision that changed my approach. Today you can find me on Kaggle, competing with data scientists globally. It was just one moment to believe in my ability. And now it's my career for life. Thank you, Data is Good. Project over degrees. I am from Etawah, a small city in Uttar Pradesh. आप लोगों ने तो शायद नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा। और मेरे कॉलेज का नाम, उसका नाम तो मैंने पहली बार तब सुना था जब मैं वहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग करने गया था। मैं बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, तो मैंने पूछा क्या ये टेस्टिमोनियल मैं हिंदी में दे सकता हूँ। तो रोशन सर ने कहा हाँ बिल्कुल दे सकते हो। जब मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि मैं एक डेटा साइंटिस्ट हूँ तो लोग मुझे जज करते हैं। लोगों को लगता है इटावा के बच्चे सिर्फ बैंक पीओ का एग्ज़ाम देके और बैंक में नौकरी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे बैंक में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है। मुझे तो बैंक के डेटा सेट में इंटरेस्ट है। आज मेरी कैगल में 100 में रैंक है और मेरे गेटहब में 12 प्रोजेक्ट हैं और 150 स्टार्स हैं। Today I can proudly say I'm a data scientist. I believe in project over degrees.
It was Friday, 21st March. I reached my office in Gurgaon after 2 hours of commuting from my home in Noida. The metro was jam-packed. I stood up for the entire journey. I reached my office at 10:30 a.m. 11:30, I was called up by my HR. I remember my HR from the last Diwali. She makes a very good rangoli. Without wasting her precious time, she told me that the company was right-sizing and they have to let me go. That day, I learned a technical term. When a big company fires you, it is called right-sizing. They had right-sized most of the testing team, including me. That was to be my last day. I was embarrassed to face my friends. I didn't even speak to any of them. I just walked off. I just picked up whatever was mine and started the long commute back home. I was on the verge of my tears. I didn't know how to face my parents. But in that metro, I made a promise to myself. This won't happen again. I won't be let go or right-sized again. I will build my career on my terms. I will pick a career that is respected and will give me the respect that I deserve. I might not be from IIT, but I am not afraid to do hard work. That day I decided I will become a data scientist. I looked at dozens of courses. I took their free trial classes. I spoke to their counselor. But there was something different about Data is Good. The reason I chose Data is Good because of its focus on projects, industry accepted projects. Their motto, projects over degree, is my motto today. It gives me confidence. It tells me that I am not to be left behind. I am on a mission to fill my GitHub with projects. I will get my rank up on Kaggle and I will never be bogged down by a fancy degree anymore. Projects over degree.